Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Together for the Neet. So here today we are going to discuss very important topic that all entrance exams asking, that's redox reaction. We can balance very easily redox reaction in acidic medium by using a very simple trick that I am going to explain here. Okay, we have this example. So this is the reaction that we have to balance here. This is MnO4 plus Fe2 plus H plus gives Mn2 plus Fe3 plus. So first step to balance the reaction is acidic medium and basic medium is same. What's the first step? Make the reaction into two half reactions. This is a redox reaction. Redox reaction is the combination of the reduction and oxidation. So make it half reactions. What are the half reactions? Reduction and oxidation. For writing separately, we have to understand what's the oxidation number of the each element in this reaction and what's this change of the oxidation for the each elements. In regarding with the changing of the oxidation, we understand whether it's an oxidation or the reduction. Let's start with the just numbering the oxidation. We can see that here is the oxidation number of the Mn is plus 7. Here the oxidation number of the Fe is plus 2. Here the oxidation number of the Mn is plus 2. Here the oxidation number of the Fe is plus 3. So which is oxidation? Oxidation number is the increasing the oxidation number is called oxidation and the decreasing the oxidation number is called reduction. So here the Mn undergoes into plus 7 to the plus 2 is a reducing oxidation number. Plus 7 to plus 2 is, so it is a reduction. Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus 2 plus 2, 3 plus, it is an increase in oxidation number, so it is a oxidation. So what we have to do next is just write the two half reactions separately below. So we can write this MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. How this becomes the Mn7 plus to the Mn2 plus? By accepting 5 electrons. So we can just note this in our reaction as MnO4 minus plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus. Okay, we already write this. Okay, what's the next step? You have to balance the excess oxygen in one side. If there is an excess oxygen, you have to balance the oxygen with the corresponding number of the H2O, corresponding number of water writing on another side. This we can see that here we have the 4 oxygen, but we have no oxygen in this side. So we have to add corresponding number. That means a 4 number of H2O in other side. H2O in other side. So what's the next step we have to apply? How many number of H plus are there, or how many number of hydrogen atoms are there? We have to count the number of the hydrogen atom in one side, or the deficient or the excess hydrogen atom in one side, and we have to add corresponding number of H plus atom in another side. How many number of hydrogen atoms are there? There is no hydrogen atom. Here we have 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen atom. So we have to add 8 H plus on other side. Here we have to add 8 H plus. So we completed the reduction reaction balancing. Reduction reaction. But we have to do another one more steps by completing the oxidation also. So Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus is oxidation reaction. What's happening in Fe2 plus is that Fe2 plus is converting to Fe3 plus by giving an electron. Okay, here we accept an electron for the reduction, but it's giving an electron. So this Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus. Is there any oxygen excess? No, there is no oxygen excess. Is there any hydrogen excess? No, there is no hydrogen excess. So another so there is we completed oxygen balancing and hydrogen balancing. What we have to balance next is that balancing the electron is also the part of our balancing. So you can see that here is 5 electron, here is 1 electron, so reaction is not balanced. So we have to multiply with a suitable number to balance the electrons. How we can do that? We have 5 electron here, we have 1 electron here. What's the common multiple, least common multiple of this 5 and 1? It's 5. So we have to multiply this reaction by 5 in order to get equal number of electrons in both sides. Okay, so we multiply this reaction by 5 and we can get that 5 Fe2 plus will give 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. So this is reduction, sorry, this is oxidation reaction here. Oxidation reaction. So just add these two reactions to get the final balanced equations. Add these two reactions, left side plus left side and right side. Add left side, H plus MnO4 minus plus 5 electron plus Fe2 plus gives Mn2 plus 4H2O plus Fe3 plus sorry, it's not Fe2 plus, it's 5 Fe2 plus and it's 5 Fe3 plus and 5 electron. Sorry, I'm very sorry. This is 5 Fe2 plus and 5 Fe3 plus and 5 electron. Okay, this is our last equation. So we have to add the coefficient of the each components from this equation to fulfill our equation. So Mn(O4) minus have 1 coefficient and Fe2 plus have 5 as coefficient. H plus have 8H plus, we have 8H plus here, and Mn2 plus have the 1 coefficient and the 4H2O. Just add 4H2O and 5 Fe3 plus. So we have to add 5 electron, but both sides are 5 electron both sides, so we can cut it and we got the balanced final equation of this redox reaction. This is the simple and very tricky method. We can easily solve any redox reaction very easily by in acidic medium in this way. So what are the steps we are done here? Very simple. First we just write the redox reaction that we have to balance, and we write the separate oxidation and reduction reactions by using the oxidation number method, how it's increasing or decreasing, such kind of method we used. Then what we have done, we just analyzed whether the oxygen is deficient or the excess deficient or the excess in one side or not. And so then we add deficient oxygen amount, not oxygen, but it's add corresponding number of water in other side, and just analyze the hydrogen also and just add H plus for that. And finally we just multiply with some suitable number for balancing the number of the electrons also, and by completing this all process we got reduction and oxidation. Then we just add reduction and oxidation, that we can get the balanced redox reaction final. So this is very important video, so share to all friends and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel if you are not done.